This is my first time on YouTube, so we're going to be making. We're going to be doing how. We're going to see if Dial can make slime, but I bet that's not true because I think I tried once and it didn't really work. So let's try it. Let's try it. See if it works this time. So what you're gonna need is something to mix with. You're gonna use a package fork or a real fork. I'll need some Dial hand soap, any kind. See, you need any kind. So first you're going to pour the Dial into the bowl. Next, also guys, please remember to leave a like. Please remember to leave a like, subscribe, and shoot, it's not even working. And send notifications so you can know. That's the ice cream man. Mom, ice cream man.
Mom, it's money from your dad. I don't have cash.
Well, can you stop him? Sorry, guys. That's right. Did you hear it? He's my best friend. Like, I have a friend that's named Alex. He's the ice cream man. So just mix your slime, okay? Just mix it. Just mix the dough, I meant. Not the slime. I'm not turning slime, I don't know, but just mix the dough. Mix dough so it gets a little bit slimy. Or feel weird or something. Whatever. And I'm definitely adding different ingredients to see if it makes slime. So stay here. I'll be right back, guys. I'm serious. I'll actually be right back. So for this one, I'm going to be using sunscreen, any kind, to see if it works. And multi solution. So, remember guys, I am new to this YouTube channel, so please leave a like and subscribe and turn on notifications. Okay, so first we're adding this. Jeez, anything going in? Why do you keep doing that? That's it. Okay, so next we're gonna add some multi-purpose solution. Now see the multi-purpose solution, as you can see. Just add a divot. Don't add too much. There you go. Just gonna mix it up. I hope this works. Because if it doesn't work, I'm gonna be the worst at slime. Plus, I am. I think. I always try to do something, and it didn't work. So I hope this one works. As you see, it's not even forming yet. And plus, it's never formed. It's not even looks like. It's not even slime. But I'm gonna do some other videos about slime. I'm also gonna be doing a video on how to make food coloring or most food coloring, and it's gonna be awesome. My brother said the S word. So just ignore that, okay? Just don't do it. So thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe. As I said, I'm a new YouTuber. Please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. As you see, the time about to leave somewhere. I'm about to go to swimming lessons. As you see, the time is up. Shoot, okay, that's just here. About to leave. As you can see. So it's almost 5 o'clock, and I'm supposed to get my book because I have a So please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Oh, please, press comments up below to see So tell me what you want to do. Bye.